In this video, we will show you how to check DoorDash credits. If you guys want to get started with DoorDash, you can use the links down in the description. To check your DoorDash credit on iOS, first sign in to DoorDash app. Then tap the account icon at the top. After that, tap on payment and you'll be able to see your total amount of DoorDash credit. On the Android, sign in to the DoorDash app and tap on the icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on payment methods and you will see the total amount of DoorDash credits. If you received a refund, the processing time depends on what it was issued and your bank's processing times. If the charge still shows as pending on your statement, it can take 1 to 3 business days to be removed. In this case, the pending charge will disappear. However, if it's a partial refund, a new charge will appear for the update amount. Once the charge is no longer pending, it has been posted to your account. Then it can take 5 to 7 business days to be refunded, and the refund will appear as a negative charge. You will receive an email confirmation with the refund details, including the amount and issue dates. Now, on iOS, you can also check your order history in the app to see refunded amount and issue date. On the web, visit DoorDash.com and click the 3 lines on the left. Then go to Orders, where you can check your order history and refund details. If the refund hasn't appeared within 7 business days, you should contact support for assistance. So that's how to check DoorDash credits. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with DoorDash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.